Hey, Marcus and Mark Squires here. Today I tackled a basement issue. An old iron pipe rusted through. I purchased an angle grinder, and after cutting it out, I was shocked. The deterioration was extensive, but only a small leak showed. Time for some DIY magic. With just 80 bucks, including the angle grinder purchase, I replaced the worn out pipe with a durable black PVC. Can you believe the market rate for this much pipe is about $1,200? DIY to the rescue. The angle grinder made this job a breeze. Smooth cuts, and I was on my way to fixing the issue. Now let me take you through the process. I carefully cut out the deteriorated section, revealing the surprising extent of the damage. But with determination and a budget-friendly approach, I opted for black PVC to replace the old iron pipe. It's not just about fixing. It's about saving big. Check out the before and after shots. From rusty mess to sleek PVC solutions. Who knew DIY could be this satisfying? And the best part? I did all of this for just 80 bucks. Imagine saving over $1,000. DIY is not just about fixing, it's about taking control and saving those hard-earned dollars in this economy. So there you have it, a basement adventure, a rusty pipe, and a DIY triumph. Alright y'all, I'm signing off. Remember, sometimes the solution is in your own hands. Until next time.